has taken out. I do.
How is it going, everybody out in the YouTube land?
Word up.
Word from the computer room here on Somerset Lane. Dun, dun, dun.
Somerset Lane!
We're gonna get stalkers.
Yes, we are.
Yeah,
we are a pair of foxes. That's just... Thanks for the support that. This is hanging there, kind of, just a little bit. Just a little bit. That's fine.
I can't stop laughing, I simply can't. So, we're here today, to pay tribute to Megan Warranty. What up, Megan? What's up, Megan? This is Jazz, by the way. You might meet her, so...
Alright. I don't know you, but apparently you rock and kick ass, so...
Yeah. That means you need to bring me coffee for a week. Yeah. Alright, so she pretty much demanded that I write her a song. Like, tied me up in the back room and hit me with rotten oranges over and over again until I agreed to do this.
I like that.
It's not...
Try that.
It's not...
Maybe with papaya.
You are not tying me up and hitting me with papayas.
Why not?
Back to the song. We're gonna do a song. A quick jazzy number. Jazzy number that we wrote for you just now. In literally like 4 minutes.
Literally just now. I have no part in it. The song is there.
She'll be singing it with me.
And offering my vocal talents to you.
It should be a fine duet. A fine duet if I do this.
I'm from that.
I'm not a big singer either. I'm not. Alright, fine. I don't have any concerts. Okay. Alright, so here we go. Megan Warranty. Stop bitching! Here we go. Who's that girl in the kick-ass dress? Who's that girl who won't touch their back? Taking a breath! Taking a breath! Where am I taking the piss?
To the toilet.
Let's try that one more time, shall we? Who's that girl in the kick-ass dress? Who's that girl who always looks her best? Who's that girl with the minty breath?
I don't know.
You'll find her swinging from a rider, clinging on track to a goldfish cracker, smiling and singing and provoking laughter. You ought to know. It's Megan Warranty. And that is the Megan Warranty ditty right there.
Yes, it is.
You can tune in every week. We'll do a fine song. Just all you people who want to hear us sing again, all one of you. Just
I think we're gonna get one person to watch this.
maybe.
Is Megan going to do enough to watch it?
Megan will watch it.
Megan will watch it. There's the one person.
Yeah.
Okay.
But if anybody else happens to catch this broadcast and wants a song sung about them, by us, Foxy Bitches, look at the Foxy notes.
Take it in and absorb it.
Then you can write and request it, and we will write you a song. We won't know you, so it'll be about whatever the hell I feel like, but it'll be a song. Right, I don't have anything else to say.
No.
Just like my eyebrows, look how good they look. That is pure, amazing eyebrow.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you can see how tired I am. Okay. Fuck off, you can see how tired I am. Alright, so we're going to go and do something a little bit more interesting than watching our show. So, have a good night, and
I quite like watching.
well, Jazz likes watching herself. I don't like watching myself, so, I'm going to go, and Jazz is going to sit here and make faces. And we'll see you again next time. Alright then. Let's go. Can't find the mouse.